The Milosevic Lecture is an opportunity for us to invite an international expert to give us the latest updates in genetic eye research. This is an opportunity for us to establish new collaboration and learn from each other.
It's our pleasure to welcome Professor Andrea Vincent to give us a talk here. I'm really hoping to learn something about her research, especially what her group has involved in this inherited retinal disease, because I'm also working on the same topic.
Obviously the science is incredible, the promise is amazing, but the roadblocks about the reality can be very frustrating, not just for me, but for the patient. But I think it's okay to stand back a little bit and say, this is a wonderful thing, we don't have it right now, the trial's going to take a few years, but these are the issues.
When we first started with Fred, we were very impressed with the research team, but we felt that there was a great opportunity to bring more knowledge into Western Australia. Plus it's also a great opportunity for Fred and all of his team to be able to learn from the international people, and we get the very best information then coming into WA.
Fred is just so great with all of his work that he does, and if it wasn't for Fred, I think I would have lost my vision completely. So I'm so grateful to him.